Hi and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today we're making this delicious meatloaf. This is a high meat content version, perfect for a low carb diet, but equally great if you're not. These are the ingredients you need and I'll write them out in the description below. We start by melting the butter in a frying pan and then frying off the onions until they're soft but not brown. It's going to take you a bit longer than this, but check this out. Ta-da! All done! Allow the onions to cool a little and then add to the mixed meat. Then add the beaten egg, the double cream, the grated cheese, the dried basil or oregano, and then finally just some salt and pepper for seasoning. Give this all a good mix together. I like to use my hands, but you can use a spoon if you prefer. But either way, try not to mix too much, just until it's all incorporated. Otherwise, the meatloaf can become a bit dense. Form the mixture into a loaf shape, and then simply place in a greased baking dish. The finishing touch is just to lay over some lovely bacon slices. This keeps the meatloaf moist while it's cooking and also adds to the flavour. Tuck the ends of the bacon under like this to make it a nice neat loaf. And then it's ready to bake in the oven at 200 degrees C for about 45 minutes. After that time, just check the meatloaf's cooked. The easiest way to do this is to use a meat thermometer. You're looking for a safe temperature of 71 degrees C, but you can have it more well done if you prefer. And I tend to try and get it to mid-70s. Once you're happy the meatloaf's done, remove it from the pan and let it rest a little before carving. That gives us just enough time to make a lovely gravy. Start this by skimming off the fat from the pan. We don't want this in our gravy. Then take the lovely juices and all the scrapings from the bottom of the pan and add to a saucepan. Then add some double cream. This is about 200 ml, but it can be a bit less or a bit more depending on how creamy you like your sauce. And then we simply blend the sauce to combine. How easy is that? All that's left to do now is carve the meatloaf and serve it. Not to mention eat it, of course. I'm putting it with some lovely cauliflower puree. This is silky smooth and I'll show you the recipe in another video. In fact, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, otherwise you'll never see the next video and you'll never know how to make that lovely cauliflower puree. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe for our low carb meatloaf and that you try it out at home. And we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.